Introduction to classes in C#. Classes in C# are the building blocks of object-oriented programming. They provide a blueprint for creating objects that encapsulate data and behavior. Classes can have constructors, destructors, methods, and variables. They allow for code reusability, maintainability, and modularity. In C#, you define a class using the class keyword followed by the class name. Constructors in C#. Constructors are special methods within a class that are called when an object of that class is created. Constructors initialize the object's state and can accept parameters. They have the same name as the class and do not have a return type. Destructors in C#. Destructors, also known as finalizers, are used to clean up resources before an object is destroyed. In C#, you don't explicitly define destructors. The net runtime automatically calls the destructor when an object is no longer referenced. Methods in C#. Methods are functions defined within a class that perform specific actions. They encapsulate behavior related to the class and can accept parameters and return values. Public variables in C#. Public variables are accessible from outside the class. They can be accessed directly using the object instance. However, it is generally considered good practice to encapsulate data within private variables and provide access through properties or methods. Private variables in C#. Private variables are only accessible within the class where they are defined. They cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. Static variables in C#. Static variables belong to the class rather than individual objects. They are shared among all instances of the class and can be accessed using the class name directly. Common use cases and considerations. Classes are extensively used in C# to model real-world entities, create data structures, and implement business logic. They allow you to define custom types and organize related data and behavior. Common use cases for classes include creating objects for employees, customers, products, and more. It is important to design classes with proper encapsulation, maintainability, and adherence to object-oriented principles. In this tutorial, you learned about classes in C# and their key components, including constructors, destructors, methods, public variables, private variables, and static variables. Classes provide a powerful way to organize and structure your code, enabling you to create objects and define their behavior. By understanding these concepts, you can design and implement robust and maintainable applications in C#.